What's up, guys? In today's video, we are building a massive cardboard marble run.
Yeah, it's gonna take a while, but like,
it's gonna be fun.
We're experienced builders, right? We have a little bit of cardboard, but
it's not too much, right?
Not too little.
Okay, the plan is we build a marble run that goes down the stairs. Seems easy, right? Probably not gonna be. Anyways, let's get to work. Okay, so Eric kind of had to leave at this point, so from now on it's just going to be me, Adrian, building. I accidentally cut my finger. I'm being very careful with scissors. Don't do that. Just finished the marble run. I added a few details like buses or houses, and it looks good. So cue the marble run. That was super satisfying to build. Anyways, thank you for watching.